Rufous-bellied woodpecker, or a Rufous-bellied sapsucker, is a species of bird in the family of Pixidae. This woodpecker has a habit of making a series of small pits on the bark of trees, leading to its being considered an aesthetic member of the sapsuckers in the past. This beautiful woodpecker, with three disjunct populations, an eastern one which breeds in northeastern China and Russia, and winter in southeastern China, a western one in the Himalayas, and a southern one in southern mainland Southeast Asia. In all populations, note bright orange neck and belly, as well as black and white spotted wings. Bright red crown is found only on the male, while the female has patchy black and white one. In Southeast Asia, this beautiful woodpecker can be found inside the dry dipterocarp forest, especially during the dry season that occurs around 5 to 6 months, made all of the forest look uniform without the leaves, as the bird has a very bright color, so to spot the bird is more easier than the rainy season. This woodpecker loves insects the most, as the bird can consume around 60% of the ants for the diet, and also they eat beetles,